All right, here we are. We are going to install our bidet sprayer for cleaning our cloth diapers. The first step is to turn off the water and then empty your toilet tank. So it doesn't completely empty. There's still a little bit of water in there. So you're gonna need to put a towel down. Right, I got help from hubby. Got extra water on the floor here because I was loosening pieces inside the toilet. It's still not. Am I going the wrong way? Okay. Jeez. Alright. There we go. Now, where's my instructions? Comes with really good instructions. You can see it says to turn off the water supply valve at the wall, which we did. Flush the toilet, which we did. Disconnect flexible water supply line, which we did. Now, step 4 is to connect the T-valve. And that's this piece. So I'm going to take the sticker off, and I think we'll need that. And make sure the cone rubber washer is inside the nut of the T-valve. That would be this one. It was not. So apply 1 or 2 layers of plumber's tape and connect the nut of the T-valve to the toilet tank. The bottom T-valve, turning the nuts counterclockwise. Okay, so this is gonna go on there. And then they were so kind to give us some plumber's tape. Whoa, I'm slipping on there. Should be good. Right. Now, hexagonal nut. What? Conical nut. Alright, so I guess that's where the hose is coming in. Oh, they gave us extra, what the hell were these called? I just said it. Washers. Rubber washers. With these blue things in there, I wasn't sure what that was for. Okay, now let's make sure that both ends are different. So you want to connect the right one. Hi, dog. Okay, so this side goes on there. And I'm assuming they want us to use tape for that side too. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. Okay, now we're connecting this piece, which is the sprayer. Right, and it comes with a little, I'll show you guys when it's all done. This goes on the side of the toilet. Oops. And then the sprayer hangs here. Alright, so now we have this hose. Alright, and I'm gonna put some more tape on. I'll be back. Okay, tape is on. Now we are connecting this back up to the water supply. Alright, so my husband helped me tighten these. I have carpal tunnel, so it's hard to really get the tightness on anything that I need. I'm gonna do the operation soon. I was waiting for my daughter to get older. But anyways, he did mention never use pliers on plastic pieces because it can crack. So that was just a little bit that I wanted to tell you guys. And we turned it on already to make sure. Jesse, let's fill it up again. Now, it says on the valve that you want to shut it off after every use. And probably because you don't want baby grabbing it and spraying your whole bathroom. Alright, so I'm breaking a sweat. Here's the moment of truth. I'm not sure which way it has to be turned. So let's see. Alright, that means that it's off. I'm going to turn it down. Oh, I felt it. It filled up. Holy moly. Eureka! Wow. Whoa, whoa. All right, I'll put it right there. And then we are going to turn this off just like it said. Wow, that was a real pain in the behind. So my next video, you will see me spraying some cloth diapers. Here we go, baby. Was it worth it? Yeah. I mean, it wasn't such a breeze as I thought it would be. And I did need help, but I got her done.